And we got wind going on. So I'll talk more at the end of the video here. Nice little Ranger. Like a 75. Oh wow.
It's still pretty clean.
He's so damn.
It just snapped right off.
Huh. Ford 100. Yeah. What is that, 390?
It could be oh sure, in this truck it should have been a 352.
Yeah, for these models, yeah.
Just overall rebuilt to 352.
Yeah. Guy actually.
4-barrel intake, so it could be.
Yeah. A big old 4-barrel on it.
That's a truck.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
It's probably the only thing maybe he had at the time. Who knows? Unless he just didn't know his stuff. Of course, I don't know much about that either.
He's
Ah.
made this goddamn rag joint.
Oh. Yep. Oh boy. Oh yeah, that ain't safe. Yeah. Bet you the play in this going down the road's interesting. Oh, that's stupid wind. Yeah, actually has those fresher brackets. Ah, stupid wind. Just opens up. Whew. A little bit of some AC for your legs. Oh yeah. I always like the style on these. Close is pretty good. Yeah. Alright, it's a little bit of a walk here. Alright, so I guess I'm just going to talk right now instead of after the video. So, been busy, been doing a lot of things. You see, I'm losing lots of weight again. The diet stuff that I have been taking has been making me more addicted to certain foods, but since now I'm having more of a proper diet, well, no longer addicted to certain things. So it's strange how they put all the chemicals and garbage and stuff, but been busy doing a lot of stuff, yard work, trying to play catch up for the past 2.5, almost 3 years. I don't know if the sun's gonna glare. Other than that, possible rain this week, so may or may not be a video this coming Sunday, but there will be a video this coming Wednesday. I'm going to try to get back to 2 times a week, hopefully. I'm also going to start bringing out YouTube shorts again. People were kind of ratting on us for having it at the beginning, and then I found out that some of those, actually not some, almost all of those accounts were sock accounts from other people. And if people don't know what a sock account means, pretty much a person that can have another account easily and it's disposable, or at least you just, you know, make one and then get rid of it. You know, a sock, you know, you can use it and then get rid of it. So I want to bring a lot of content back with that. TikTok's back, but I'll let you guys decide on that. That place is a hellhole, damn. Yeah, it's a hellhole and a half. I don't know why. Instagram is still there. Facebook page is new. Getting some things worked up on there. Won't be doing community posts here on YouTube, just pretty much videos and shorts and stuff like that. So yeah, other than that, gosh, so far behind. We're all so far behind. This year I'm going to try not to focus on too many parts buying, even though, you know, I got the $50 Mustang. He'll be hauling it home tomorrow, hopefully, because it'll be Easter Sunday then. And then I'll record stuff for that for Wednesday, just in case the weather goes bad, because we're supposed to have a lot of rain this week. Other than that, that's about it. I kind of gave up for now, looking around for a hood and everything for the 73 Roadrunner. People want updates on that, so there's that. Prices are getting ridiculous. I can find them, but I just kind of stopped looking because prices are getting really, really bad. And now working on a very, very limited budget, so gonna be tearing stuff apart, doing some things here and there. And believe it or not, I actually have a bullseye pick coming for the past month and a half. I think I got lost in the mail. Yeah. Either that or someone's enjoying it. You never know anymore. Yeah. And this possibly still be a parts car, but not sure. There's someone interested in grabbing it. That's perfectly fine. These are almost dime a dozen to an extent out here. You just gotta look, which is kind of surprising. But if not, then, well, still has to decide something. Yeah. But then this, well, like I said, I bought this for 50 bucks. I want to come back to this. I did come back to this last week to get the VIN number. Well, the VIN number is gone. So whoever has my VIN number out there, when I inquire for a title for this, either later this year or the next, when we start getting titles for some of our stuff, they're going to have a very, very rude awakening. Ah, damn allergies. Yeah, if you hear me breathe deeply, that's because of stupid allergies. And also, too, I was thinking, like, okay, maybe the tag on the door, and, oh, there is no tag. And then I tried to look up here, and there's no tag in there. And then it's like, okay, let's look right here. And then, well, the tags are gone. And I'm suspecting that this has been sitting for maybe 20-something years of how it's been sitting, of how things look in it. Someone's been using the VIN number and everything for a long time. And here in our wonderful state, you really can't quite switch out VIN numbers. So when I do have the numbers off the wheel wells on top. So when that's going to help me get the VINs to this, whoever has the, you know, whoever has the original VINs to this is probably not going to have a good time when I inquire about them. Because you're not supposed to switch VINs around. And a friendly reminder, don't show your VINs online. People will actually steal your information, try to look you up, and try to take your car from you. But people are like, oh no, it hasn't happened. It's like, yeah, well, some scammer out there will be bold enough to try it. So, yeah, there's my friendly warning. Never show your VINs online. Don't be stupid. That's all I ask. Just watching out for all of you. So when he gets this home, I'll go through it even more. There's really not much hope for this Cleveland, but I will take it apart, take it out, and see what's going on there. Since this is a 73, I have absolutely no idea if it had ram air or not. From what I heard, some of these had ram air, some didn't, depending on the trim package. So yeah, I don't know. I have to look up more on what I need to keep an eye out for, if this ever had anything for ram air, because this has been sitting out for, oh gosh, man, like I said, maybe 20 years, maybe if not a little bit more. But the front rails aren't bent. It's just this stuff right here. Back rails are perfect. So yeah, I just got to replace certain things. But when I get it home, and when it does warm up, and hopefully it does not rain, I'll use my 73 Mustang, the Grande, to check both that other 73 and then this one, the rails, to see if they're bent or not. I'm pretty sure they're okay. I'm pretty darn sure, because even we looked at it and did measurements. This thing still looked okay, but to be on the safe side. So other than that, yeah, this year I don't know what's going to happen other than just taking stuff apart and getting things going and rolling. It's pretty much about it for this video. I needed to get something out. Like I said, been busy doing stuff, weather getting in the way. Don't have no high winds, but we're expecting some rain. As you can see, you know, it's wanting to cloud up a little bit, so may not look too bad on camera, but it's, yeah, just got done with one rain shower, but now with this one. So yeah, other than that, yeah, I'm just gonna have to play it by ear to see what happens, tearing stuff apart, putting parts up, and get you guys out of the wind. So yeah, hopefully that's pretty much about it. Yeah, oh, and that 62 Galaxy down there, we're not gonna get it. We decided against it. It's fixable, but there's a family that's interested in it. So it's like, you know what? We'll just let them inquire about it. So that's fine. But also too, we talked, it's like, you know, we got enough right now as it is, because we got to start making some storage units, start getting some things going, and also that gigantic shed going, built. Hopefully in the next year or so, because we're so far behind. Some of the vehicles should have been restored, but you know, life happens. So anyways, yeah, so this will come home tomorrow. Hopefully if the weather, you know, doesn't go to trash, and it's kind of go from there. So yeah, he's actually got that cut finally. I'll be damned. So yeah, hopefully the wind isn't too bad in the video. So alrighty, and I don't know what to do for a preview picture. Oh yeah, he really spliced and diced this sucker. Yeah, he's gonna cut that one up and haul it off. Yeah, it's an old Chevy Mallard. Yeah, Chevrolet, looks like a 30, Chevy 30 Mallard. That's by crusty in there. Yeah, but anyways, yeah. Yeah. So all right. Well, here's a nice little, oh yeah, right here's a bull nose, long box, half ton, full drive, dual gas tanks. Ah, 4-speed, no overdrive. Huh. This thing's probably no good. A lot of decent stuff on this. Kind of. Bull nose is almost a dime a dozen, but all right. So I'll end the video there. I'm gonna try to be as active as I possibly can since my health is back to normal, and just trying to get stuff done now. Gonna try and get the channel as big as humanly as I possibly can this year without it looking like a spam channel, because you know YouTube doesn't like that when a channel grows too fast. Because we need to get a gigantic storage shed for the vehicles. We gotta get some other storage sheds built. Gotta get some carports bought and put up, and then our garage built. So yeah, it's gonna be an interesting year, shifting stuff and doing whatever I can to grow things. So alrighty, so support the channel along with its growth and its endeavors. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Make sure that bell's turned on. Yeah, so that's pretty much about it in a nutshell. So me on behalf of Tucker, we bid you all adieu, and also Buck. So you have it going now, and take it easy. Yeah, hopefully this weather clears up soon. Yeah, who the hell knows anymore.